What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to do our daily update on XCN. This will be a quick video. We have a $478 million market cap today with 33 billion coins in circulation out of 48. All-time high in this was 3 years ago at 18 cents. I believe we can easily overtake that all-time high this bull run. All-time lows over a year ago. XCN is currently available on quite a few markets: Coinbase, HTX, Gate.io. So there's 4 different pages down here. So if you want this coin, there is a good chance that you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, let's get into XCN right here. So yeah, we had a 6% drop in the current price for XCN, and indicators right now are showing that we did top out, unfortunately, here in the short term. Now we see the RSI here starting to fall pretty steeply. What I'd be looking for is a possible test of this bottom once again, very similar to what happened here on the March 26th and April 8th. Something like this in the RSI, and then we can start working our way back to the upside. Unfortunately, what that means for XCN is we might just see a little bit more chop, just a little bit more chop in order for that to play out, and it's kind of showing it on the stock RSI. Unfortunately, the stock RSI crossed over blue below orange, which is bearish. I'm just hoping that that's a very similar situation that what happened right here. We had a little bit of a fake out, and then he started heading to the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a fake out and then back to the upside for the stock RSI. In the meantime, however, we might be seeing some retracement. If we draw the fibs from the high to the low, that 618 was a big support area for us for the month of April. And we did break below it on the 1st of June, back tested it on the 3rd of June, and we got rejected. So the possibility of XCN coming down here to the 382 at about 1.2 is definitely in the cards. Now, I don't think it's going to be down here for a long period of time. It could be throwing a quick wick down here, like a small dip, throw a wick, and then back to the upside. But in the short term, I'm going to be slightly bearish on XCN. In the long term, I'm going to be massively bullish on it. It's just the indicators are showing a fake out happening right now, which is just going to make the price chop or drop a little bit further. Now, if you draw from the high to low here, you do have a support the 786 at 1.3, which was a prior resistance back here on January 18th. So there is your saving grace right there. There is your hopium. We are currently on the 786 support area. So this could be the bottom for that point, right? It could be that fake out, double test the 786 and work its way up. In the meantime, I am going to draw a rectangle box from where we're currently at down to that 1.2 area. And I'm going to make it green. So we have, where is the colors for this thing? Well, I don't know where the colors are. So, oh, there we go. Border, green, good enough. So yeah, this is our general box area that we have to bounce off of. We can't go below this box. If we go below this box, we're gonna have a really bad time and see a quick flash down to the 618 down here at 008. I don't think that's the case whatsoever. I think this is this is a close to the bottom for XCN before we start working our way back up. It's just chop, 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 a little bit of a shakeout, and then we should be good to go. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.